Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start now, force a power off and repeat until Windows opens the recovery environment. You need to act immediately. You choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings. Once done, restart and press 4 to boot into safe mode so you can work without normal drivers or startup tasks interfering. Make sure to have a USB recovery drive or Windows install media nearby in case safe mode fails. You will use this minimal environment to run repairs and undo recent changes safely. In safe mode, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files. Follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the component store. Once those complete, open Task Manager and disable startup programs that could hang the welcome process. Focus on third-party antivirus, cloud sync, and GPU utilities. Make sure to uninstall any updates or drivers installed right before the problem started, because those often introduce conflicts. After each change, reboot to test whether the welcome screen proceeds normally. If the previous steps do not fix the issue, use System Restore to roll back Windows to a working point. If no restore point exists, back up files and choose Reset this PC or a clean reinstall from Install Media. You must copy personal data first. Safe mode or a recovery USB can move files to external storage. Finally, one key troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, inspect the SSD or HDD health and physical connections. Faulty drives or loose cables often cause a system to hang on the welcome screen.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.